Alright, thank you so much, guys. Give them a round of applause. The first set of winners.
बेटा अरे काय के लिए बुलाया फिर यार, कर लो अपने वापस में कर लेते हैं अगर वहीं पे।
Everybody from Asmi Bazaar, come on. The media to please take your seats. We have a Q&A session. Guys,
Kangna here this side. Kangna, ma'am here. Kangna here this side.
media is a humble request. She has to leave. Okay, can we start?
First of all, thank you for being here, everyone. Okay, fine. Okay. First of all, thank you for coming here. Thanks.
Kangna, what do you do online? Do you buy anything? Is there any favorite thing? What would you buy online and what would you not buy online?
See, for us, when we work so much, and especially now that I'm working in night shifts, and we don't have a timetable that we follow, it just depends on the shift. We really rely on online shopping. Everything from rugs to clothes to home accessories to kitchen accessories to stuff, everything, Sometimes we have to buy a lot of stuff online.
Good evening, Kangna.
Hi, good evening.
Many congratulations for the national award.
Thank you.
Has the life changed after it? Can we ask these questions to you?
Well, not in a literal way, but things do add to your life, right? After a national award, second national award, it's not that something has changed in my life, like, I've grown wings or something. But yes, it is a landmark, and I do appreciate the fact that at 28 I won 2 national awards. That means a lot.
पर आपको और endorsements और फिल्में ऑफर की जा रही है, रेस्पेक्ट और मिल रही है, ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है?
बिल्कुल. अब लोगों को मुझ में बहुत फेथ आ गया है, और सबसे ज़्यादा जो है वो मुझे फीमेल सेंट्रिक फिल्म्स जो हैं वो बहुत ऑफर हो रही हैं, बड़े बड़े डायरेक्टर्स के साथ, जिनके साथ काम करने का मेरा कभी सपना रहा होगा, वो अब मेरे साथ काम करना चाहते हैं.
It's a request. The question should be related only to Asmi Bazaar. It's a humble request, please. Thank you so much.
I want to like when we see your pictures, there is no two pictures that are alike. Whether it's your hair or your clothes, it changes every time. How do you keep up with like what goes in your head when you're styling yourself?
Well, like I said, I like to do different things, and also I depend a lot on the stylist that I work with. So if someone has a vision for me, I don't like to interfere, and I don't have any such agenda that this is the hair I will always stick with, or this is the makeup looks good on me, so I will not experiment. I am quite open to trying different things. आप photos मत लीजिए, बात करते टाइम photos मत लीजिए, please. Thank you.
It's a request. Please do not use pictures when she's speaking.
Two things. अब आप बहुत ज़्यादा strong हो गई हैं, इस brand के साथ भी जुड़ गई हैं. आपको लगता है इसके जरिए आप women empowerment के लिए ज़्यादा कर पाएंगी, जैसे कि दीपिका ने एक वीडियो बनाया है, तो
That had to come up. That had to come up. For sure.
अब मैं कुछ भी बोलूँगी, ये अपनी मर्जी से एपिसोड बना के कुछ भी कहेंगे. So this is calling for trouble.
अपने views रखिए, वही बोलिए.
No comments. No comments, please.
कंगना, आप भी ना एम्पावरमेंट पे ही फिल्म करती हैं ज़्यादा, हमने देखा है, तो हम चाहेंगे कि आप इस पे
देखिए, वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप लोग हमारे देश के लड़कों में कॉम्प्लेक्स ग्रो कर दें, फिर मैन एम्पावरमेंट में अगले 20 साल जाएंगे. तो इस तरह से नहीं करना चाहिए. एंड like I said, woman empowerment is all about evolving as a soul, as a human being. ऐसा थोड़ा ना होता है कि you become sexist, I really don't have any idea because I've not seen the video. But I am glad that people are contributing in their own way. It should be appreciated. अब हर एक की एक्सपेक्टेशंस अलग होती है, लेकिन कोई कुछ कर तो रहा है, क्या वो कम है? यू नो, सो आई थिंक दे शुड बी अप्रिशिएटेड फॉर द एफर्ट्स दे आर पुटिंग इनटू इट.
मैं आपकी फिल्म के बारे में पूछना चाहूँगा. मीना कुमारी जी के ऊपर आप फिल्म करें, उसके बारे में थोड़ा बता दीजिए, कंफर्मेशन थोड़ा बताइए. एक तो फिल्म का इतनी दूर से आए, बोरीवली से आ रहे हैं हम लोग, खेवाड़ी से बन रहा है.
Okay, so I am hoping that everything works out. Yes, I've been offered a film on मीना कुमारी. तो लेकिन अभी जो है, मैं जो फिल्म कर रही हूँ उसके बाद वो है सुजय घोष जी की, उसके बाद हंसल मेहता जी की, और वो कि 2016 मिड से पहले हम लोग वो मीना कुमारी जी की फिल्म शुरू नहीं कर पाएंगे, लेकिन दैट्स हैपनिंग.
The last question.
अंगना, एक बात आपसे पूछ.
शादी कब कर रही हैं?
चलो अब आपकी मर्जी है, वो करोगी. अच्छा, कंगना, नेशनल अवार्ड लेने तो जाओगी ना?
Yes, I will.
अच्छा कंगना,
पहले एलॉबरेट करना.
That's not fair. That's cheating.
Yeah, देखिए, नेशनल अवार्ड और कमर्शियल अवार्ड, जैसे दे आर कॉल्ड कमर्शियल फॉर अ रीज़न. ऐसा नहीं है मेरा कोई एजेंडा है अगेंस्ट कमर्शियल अवार्ड्स, लेकिन उनके कई एस्पेक्ट्स होते हैं. TRPs होती हैं, यू नो, देयर आर शोज जो दैट्स नॉट माई कप ऑफ टी. लेकिन नेशनल अवार्ड इज़ नो फनी बिजनेस. और जैसे कि हमारे पूरे देश भर में और भी जो पैरेलल इंडस्ट्रीज़ हैं, उनके टैलेंट को, सब कलाकारों को बुलाया जाता है और सम्मानित किया जाता है. मेरे लिए बहुत गर्व की बात है और मैं डेफिनेटली जाऊंगी.
अच्छा कंगना, लास्टली मैं जानना चाहूँगी कि
नेशनल अवार्ड आपको मिला है, वैसे ही शशि कपूर को दादा साहब फाल्के अवार्ड से भी नवाजा गया है. क्या कहना चाहेंगे उनके बारे में?
बहुत शुभकामनाएं उनको, और यू नो, आई रियली कंग्रेचुलेट देम.
कंगना, अच्छा मैं लास्टली जानना चाहूँगी उस तरीके से
मैंने इनका एक भी क्वेश्चन नहीं लिया है, तो आई टेक हर क्वेश्चन देन योर्स.
जैसे कि यहाँ पे है कंगना टू बी माई वैलेंटाइन. कंगना अपनी रियल लाइफ में कैसा वैलेंटाइन चाहती है, क्या खूबियाँ देखती हैं वो अपने वैलेंटाइन?
वैलेंटाइन तो गया अब,
लेकिन फिर भी
ये जो जितने भी लोग हैं आज इस बार तो यही मेरे वैलेंटाइन थे. और हमेशा एक जैसा थोड़ी होना चाहिए वैलेंटाइन. यू शुड हैव डिफरेंट. समटाइम्स यू सेलिब्रेट विद योर फ्रेंड्स, समटाइम्स you celebrate with your lover, sometimes with your family. This time around it was people who appreciate my work, and I got to meet people from different parts of the country. तो इस बार तो यही थे मेरे वैलेंटाइन.
The last question.
We don't see many tweets happening. Are you active?
I don't have a Twitter account.
Okay, so are you active on social? Do you want to be active on social networks?
No. I don't have any Twitter account. I don't have any Facebook account. I don't have any Instagram account. If there are a few, but they're all fake accounts. Don't get misguided or misled.
Why thank you guys. Why don't you don't feel like connecting with your fans on social networks?
Well, see, the thing is, as an artist, as a human being, I feel that I give a lot out there. You know, because when you deal with lives, expressions, people, and experiences, and you know, you're an artist, you give so much of your life out there. You want to keep some of it to yourself also. Everything is not for sale, isn't it?
And we're closing the Q&A session now. Thank you so much, media. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, just ask first. Thank you for being so nice and kind.
बस 2 मिनट, 1 मिनट रुको, 1 मिनट पहले बराबर तो हो जाए. थोड़ा सा पीछे, थोड़ा सा.
कंगना या सेंटर. कंगना या सेंटर. कंगना या
चलो पीछे हो जाओ. मैं अब भी आया हूँ.
अरे तुझा पाछे.
राइट साइड.
गंगा वन से गंगा.
थैंक यू. हो गया. आप आगे रहो, सीधा सीधा जाना है, सीधा.
Thank you.
शूट पे जाना है प्लीज प्लीज.
ये देखो ये आगे से बैठ जाओ प्लीज.
I request everyone to please settle down.
भाई लोग बढ़ जाओ ना. तो पैक हो गया.
Firstly, I would request you to say a few words about your association with Ask Me Bazaar and how has it been?
It's been great, and this is my first online shopping brand, and it's really progressive. You see, in India we don't have access to internet shopping like this because we love street shopping. We love to buy everything, and we like the personal touch. That we can actually buy masalas or gota or even like the smallest things that we can't imagine we can ever get in on internet. Also, I think the best thing is that they've given me really beautiful campaign, and I love the advertisements. They're so popular. Now that I'm working on a film where I have double role, Tanu Weds Manu, people tell me, but you've already done double roles. I'm like, no, I haven't. It's my first time. They didn't know that advertisement that comes on television. You have double roles, so so that's so popular, and everyone, sort of identifies with it. So it's been very, very gratifying, and I'm very, very happy to be a part of it.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words. I request Mr. Amardeep to please say a few words about Kangna.
So the first thing is I'm seeing Kangna for the first time, and I'm spellbound. You look stunning. You look wonderful. Secondly, we are having you as a brand ambassador for quite some time, and we decided this time on this Valentine to run a contest, and you so readily and so sportingly agreed to it, which was Kangna Be My Valentine, and I was so surprised and to see that thousands of people all across the country, they wanted to make you your Valentine. So but we had a tough choice. We had to select some 20 odd people, and we have with great difficulty have been able to find these people, and we have gotten all of them together here. So they'll be. I think they're super excited. They've been jumping with joy for the last 2-3 days since they've been in Bombay and they're privileged and excited right now to be with Kangna and to see her in flesh and blood, and so that's how it is. And Ask Me Bazaar.
Okay, ma'am. So with everything, so much going on about women empowerment, it's all over the news now. Women empowerment, Nari Shakti, blah 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 blah. And when you have been the best example for the common women out here with your movie Queen, it actually, I think, in true terms, that was a movie which kind of empowered women in our country. So what do you have to say about this entire thing that is going on, that women should be treated equally and women should be empowered? The state of women in our country is not right. What do you have to say about the entire thing?
This is a very, very sensitive topic, and it is a very vast topic for this platform especially. But I think this is a very sexist approach. Like this is men, women, children, older people. How I see women is as a feminine goddess. So feminine can be awakened in anyone. Feminine means sensitive emotions, being gentle, being kind, being full of love, and for all you know, man could be a lot more feminine than a woman. You can't really discriminate people and just be sexist. That just because you're a man, you're bound to be ruthless or things like that. Or just because you're a woman, you are this goddess just because so you can get away with anything. That's not the way we can look at things. That would be a very superficial approach.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That was a very, very good answer. Very well said. Thank you so much, ma'am. And as everybody knows the entire. You have won the national award, the National Film Award for the best actress for Queen. Also, we have heard things like Amitabh Bachchan sends you bouquet of flowers for your acting. Many people throughout the Bollywood appreciates your role in Queen. We also heard that Rekha ma'am has also sent you an award at 3 a.m. in the morning at your doorstep. So people, that is a big thing that Rekha is sending an award to Kangana at her place at 3 in the morning. So what do you have to say about your entire journey, how it was before Queen and after Queen?
Queen has been a life-changing experience for me, and people like Amitabh ji or Rekha ji or Mr. Amir Khan and even Salman for that matter, or Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, or all these people who we look up to. They've been very encouraging, very supportive, and needless to say that Queen has been sort of landmark for me. And I'm overwhelmed with the response, and now the national award is just like amazing. Thank you.
Thank you. And the last question I would want to ask you is, you do not belong to a filmy background. You do not have a godfather in Bollywood. Right now, I think you are the star.
Actually. Yeah, and I've got a Valentine gift also.
Guys, those two.
तू भी कर यार, हम जाते हैं. हाँ.
Alright, thank you so much, guys. Give them a round of applause. This is the first set of winners.
अरे क्या करते हो यार? अरे बैठो ना, बैठो. अरे काय के लिए बुलाया फिर यार? कर लो अपने वापस में कर लेते हैं यार, वहीं पे.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I request the third group to please come up on the stage.
सेल्फी का जमाना है.
Alright, thank you so much, guys. Ladies and gents, fantastic. Please take your seats.
Stay back. I request the media to please take your seats. We have
funny actor who's sustained in the industry for a particular number of years. बहुत साल काम